how to fix the error attestation denied issue on X when logging in. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this login error and get back into your account on Android. First, go to your home screen, long press the X app icon, tap App Info, then head to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Then go ahead and tap Clear Data right after. After that, reopen X and try logging in again to see if the error is gone. And tap Force Stop before trying again. Right here, open the Play Store, search for X, and install any available update. Outdated versions of the app are one of the most common triggers for this error. At this point, if updating didn't fix it, long press the X icon, tap App Info, go ahead and tap Uninstall and confirm. Moving on, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Following this, once your device boots back up, head to the Play Store and reinstall X fresh. From here, open the app and try logging in again. Once done, if the error is still appearing, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data before attempting to log in. Finally, keep in mind that this error can sometimes come from X's end. If nothing works, give it some time and try again later, as it may resolve on its own. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the error attestation denied issue on X, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next upload. See you in the next one.